Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are getting off to a good start this morning. I decided to do another motivational cleaning video, so I hope this helps you, motivates you, and inspires you to get things done that maybe you haven't felt motivated to do lately. So today I'm just going to do some regular general cleaning. I have a lot of dishes today because yesterday I tried out a few new recipes and a new dessert recipes. In case you didn't know, I do motivational cleaning videos on my channel, and then I do like weekly meal preps or just try out new recipes because, as you may or may not know, I have Crohn's disease and I do not eat dairy just because it just elevates that and just makes that worse. So I try to find different recipes and different meals that I can make without dairy. It's very, very challenging to not make a meal without cheese or like cream or milk or anything like that. Of course, I have substitutes, like I have oat milk, but you just cannot substitute cheese, let me tell you. It's very, very difficult, but I also put those videos up as well if you're interested. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany, and I like to do motivational videos to help others and inspire them to get up and do things that they need to do, or maybe something that they've not thought of doing. Even if you're suffering from a chronic illness or disease, or maybe you're just tired from the week. So I just wanted to put these out to help someone, and I love doing them. I like editing them. Hopefully I will get better at it because some of them's kind of rough, but I just do the best that I can, and I am self-taught, so it's a learning process, but I do enjoy doing it. So hopefully we get all that done. I hope you guys stick around and we get to do this together. Guys, so we got the kitchen cleaned up. I'm very excited. I hope that you got your kitchen cleaned up with me as well. So that's one more thing off the list. Even if you don't get everything off your list done, just remember, be thankful for what you do get done, and just keep encouraging yourself. Don't get into that negativity. Just think positive, and that helps encourage you, and that's so much better for your body. And as you can see behind me, I need to tackle this living room. I tried to vacuum my couch at least once a week because I lay in waller all over it all week, and that poor couch, let me tell you, it's been through it. That took my husband through 2 back surgeries. We love this couch. It is the best couch ever, but it is getting worn out. I think it's going to be time to replace it soon. I think it's an Ashley. I think it's the kind of couch that is, the brand. I'm not 100% sure on that, but anyway, it's the best couch ever. We love it. But anyway, I got to get that vacuumed because my hair's all over it. Wear a waller on it, and then I need to do some dusting, and then hopefully tackle that coffee table. So let's get into it. I think before I start in there, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and mop my kitchen. Okay guys, so after I got my couch vacuumed, I have these little cushions here. I don't know if the camera will pick up. I think you can see like these little pieces. And I like to I have one of these fabric shavers. So I just like take this over it whenever I start noticing that it's making little balls on it. Because these are just some cheap like pillow covers that I got off Amazon. I think I got like a pack of like 4 for like 20 bucks or something. So I'm gonna go over these real quick and see if I can get rid of some of those little fabric balls.